हेलो गाइस, सो वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ एजी क्लासेस। तो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं द चैप्टर इज केमिकल काइनेटिक्स। तो आपको यहाँ पे प्रॉपर नोट मिलेगा पूरे चैप्टर का एंड मैं भी आपको समझाऊंगा, डिस्कस करूंगा ये चैप्टर। तो जो भी मेरे वीडियो को आखिरी तक जरूर देखें। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं केमिकल काइनेटिक्स। जितने भी स्टूडेंट देख रहे हो वीडियो को आखिरी तक जरूर देखिए। अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। सो फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज केमिकल काइनेटिक्स? It is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of rate of chemical reaction and the mechanism by which the occur. Means there is two types of mechanisms in chemistry. One is thermodynamics and another is kinetics. The thermodynamics says us only the feasibility of a reaction. That means a reaction is feasible or not. हमारा एक रिएक्शन प्रोसीड करेगा या नहीं वो हमें बताता है थर्मोडायनेमिक्स। बट काइनेटिक्स हमें क्या बताता है? इट टेल्स अबाउट द रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन, मीन्स एट व्हाट रेट द रिएक्शन इज प्रोसीडिंग and the mechanism, means which mechanism the reaction is occur. The chemical reactions can be classified into following categories. So according to the rate of reaction, the chemical kinetics are classified into three types. The first one is instantaneous or fast reaction. So instantaneous reaction, a reaction which proceeds at a very fast speed and is it's practically impossible to measure the speed of such reaction that are known as instantaneous or fast reaction. Means if you put down two components, means two reactants, directly instantly within a fraction of a second we will get the product that is known as instantaneous or fast reaction. The examples of instantaneous reactions are Na plus Cl minus gives rise to NaCl, means all ionic reaction or neutralization reactions that are fast reaction, and all organic substitution reactions. These are also the examples of fast reaction, and reactions of biological importance and explosive reactions that are also the examples of instantaneous reactions. Then there comes extremely slow reaction. From the name you can imagine that the reaction whose proceeds at very slow speed, and the speed is so slow that it is not possible to measure the speed of reaction, means rusting of iron. The rusting of iron takes a lots of time for the completion of the process, so we can't also not measure the rate of the reaction in the slow reactions. And there comes in the middle, that is the moderate reaction. The reaction rate is in between fast and slow, means the reaction which proceeds at a measurable speed are called moderate reactions. Reaction involving organic substances belong to this reaction, means all our organic reactions that we study in organic chemistry, most of them are moderate reactions, and we can find out the rate of reactions of the moderate reactions. Then there comes what is rate of reaction. The rate at which the concentration of reactant changes with time, that is known as rate of reaction. Means at which rate the concentrations are changing to the product, that is known as the rate. It is represented by dc by dt or dx by dt generally, and the minus sign is represented as the rate of reaction is always positive, and we know as the concentration is changing from reactant to product, then dc will always be negative. So here we put the negative sign, where dc is the concentration of reactant left behind after small interval of time dt. So the negative sign implies that the concentration of reactant decreases with time, and the rate of reaction is also represented by dx by dt. So dx is equal to amount of reactant changes after certain interval of time. So here dx also we can represent it as dx by dt, where dx is represented as the amount of reactant changes after certain interval time of dt. And we can find out the unit of rate of reaction. So unit of rate of reaction is we know rate is called concentration by time. So rate is called concentration. We know the unit of concentration is mole per liter divided by time. So the unit of rate is called mole liter per second inverse. So then there comes differential form of rate of reaction. Let we consider a reaction A plus B gives you product C plus D. So accordingly the differential rate we know in the reactant side we will always put a negative sign, because in the reactant the concentration is changing to reactant to the product, so that the difference will always negative. So to keep the rate of reaction positive we will always put a negative sign. So minus dA by dt is equal to minus dB by dt is equal to dC by dt is equal to dD by dt. Let me take an example. PCl5 will give you PCl3 plus Cl2. So here minus d PCl5 by dt is equal to PCl3 by dt is equal to plus Cl2 by dt. If we take the components such as AA plus BB gives rise to CC plus DD, here similarly if we have some component that will be divided. Minus 1 by A dA by dt is equal to minus 1 by B dB by dt is equal to 1 by C dC by dt is equal to 1 by D dt by dt. Okay, this was for today. In the next class we will discuss about factors affecting rate of reaction. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है, चैनल पे नहीं हो तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए अगर कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए। थैंक यू।